Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Simran and today I'll be sharing with you my reviews on these clinic products. So first I'll be talking about what's inside the product and then my personal experience with this product, and then in last, are they worth the buy. So yeah, without further ado, let's go inside the video. So this is Clinic Moisture Surge Face Spray Thirsty Skin Relief. So this is actually a water infused with some very good and promising ingredient, like it has butylene glycol. Butylene glycol is actually a humectant and it even acts as a skin penetrator, that it helps the other ingredients to go deep inside the skin. And this is one of the ingredients that you will find in many toners because it actually helps the skin with layering the products. It actually help other ingredients to go deep inside the skin. So yeah, this even I use this as a toner. Then it has glycerin, aloe vera water, centella asiatica, which has this healing properties. Then it has this yeast extract, which has soothing properties. And then it has caffeine, which has antioxidant properties, brightening properties. And then it has vitamin E. So I love this product because first of all it has watery consistency, and I feel the product that have watery consistency has deeper penetration into the skin. Second, it has so many good ingredients, and third, it is perfect for people with oily skin, especially during hot humid summer climate. And right now it is a humid climate, like it makes your skin feel very hydrated. It is not at all heavy. Like there are times, there are days when I only use this product and it gives you such a good feeling. Like you can see, I just have to tap this, and sometimes I don't even use moisturizer as my skin is not used to layering, especially during summer hot humid climate. I always break out when I layer my products, and this is one of the products that I always have. Like as you can see, like I have emptied the whole bottle during this summer season. So this is how your skin feel hydrated after using this product. Like if you have oily skin, then you can relate that you may not even need the moisturizer to use after this product. Now what you should be expecting from this product is just hydration, like as it is written here, thirsty skin relief. So yeah, it truly stands to its name that it is the relief to people to have dehydrated skin. And if you have oily skin, then you can relate like how your skin always break out whenever you are applying products. And this is one of the product that suits my skin, that is very lightweight, that has good ingredients. Although the price is the issue, like I have this sample pack, but 125 ml will cost you around 3,500 something. So is it worth the buy? Like I would say it's worth the buy for me, because during hot humid climate many products do not suit me. They always break me out, and this is one of the lightest product. This is one of the hydrating product. This is one of the promising and good ingredient products. So yeah, that's worth the buy for me. So if your budget allows, then definitely go for this face spray. It will keep your skin hydrated, and will suggest this to people with dehydrated skin. Like you could feel the inner hydration into your skin after using this product. And also it is very travel friendly, so whenever even I'm going outdoors, I just keep this in my bag and just have this tissue wipes, and then I spray this product, and it gives such a good soothing feeling onto my skin. Like damn. It's the Clinic Moisture Surge Intense Hydration. So this is one of the most popular Clinic product, as it has a very lightweight feel, as it has silicone into it. It absorbs quickly into the skin. It suits all skin types. Plus it is loaded with many good and promising ingredients, like many antioxidants, peptides. It has vitamin C, it has vitamin E, it has vitamin F, and many other humectants and moisturizing agents. So initially when I use this product, I was not impressed, because I was not able to differentiate like what this moisturizer is doing to my skin than those other moisturizer I have that are not doing onto my skin. Like it was a okay experience for me. Like I just feel that it is a very lightweight onto the skin, and that's it. But my sister-in-law is using this moisturizer for last 2 years, and I have seen a difference in the skin tone, skin texture, and there were many skin problems. She has a dehydrated skin, she has acne issues, she has very dull complexion, and Like after seeing the result, after seeing what that moisturizer has done to her skin, I was like very impressed. And I feel that this moisturizer is for someone who can use this for a longer period of time. I have only used this one jar and it could not make much difference into my skin. Like it was just a good moisturizing product, it was just a lightweight moisturizing product. But after seeing my sister-in-law's experience, I would say that this product is for someone who have very sensitive skin, who have very problematic skin, who does not like to use many products into the skincare. Like she does not use toner, she does not use serum, she does not use essence, she just only use this moisturizer, and this is her go-to moisturizer. Like it has resolved all her skin issues. So I would suggest this product to someone who does not want to experiment more skincare products, who just want one decent product that work for their skin, that resolve all their skin issues. And to the people who are actually interested in spending a long-term investment into this product, like not just one jar but 2 jar, 3 jars, that they can spend that much amount to onto this product, then only it will give you the delivered result that I was talking about. But I was not impressed personally by this product, as I do not have that sensitive skin. Generally almost all products suits me, so this was an okay product for me. Like I would only purchase this during the hot humid climate and not during winters and not during dry summers. Just during hot humid climate it worked well for my skin. For rest of the season I can use many other moisturizers, I have many options, but only for hot humid climate I will use this product. This is Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. So this is a cream based moisturizer. It is most suitable for people with dry skin, more suitable during winter season, newest launch. So they have this one bottle that is rich with moisturizing ingredient, like it is full of oil, occlusive, humectants, emollients. Their main aim is to moisturize the skin well. It is more for a dry skin, dehydrated skin, especially for the winter season, to lock the moisture into the skin. Then it has this cartridge. This cartridge is generally the, you can say, actives. So the one pump of this bottle will release 90% of the moisturizing ingredients and 10% of the active ingredients. Like then they have different cartridges for different skin issues. Like as you can see in this one of the good concept, like you are not just investing onto the moisturizing or hydration part. Like their spray was for more hydration, their moisturizer for moisturization, and this is for the active treatment of other skincare issues. So accordingly you can select from them. The thing is that our Clinique products worth the money. If you have very sensitive skin and your skin break out every time you use the products, then definitely go for this Clinique product. You won't be disappointed, as my many friends and relatives are using their products and they swear that they suits their skin so well. Like many products that they have tried before using Clinique products, and they always have these breakouts, they have always have these issues with their skin. But after using Clinique products, they were like, okay, we are done. We do not want to experiment more with the skin, and they are using Clinique products till date. So yeah, definitely go for them if you have these skin issues or if you have very sensitive skin. I would not suggest this products to you as hydration, moisturization, actives. There are so many other alternatives present in Indian market. Yeah, that's it guys. I hope you like this video, enjoy my channel. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to watch more such videos. Okay, bye.